Extreme heat and extreme fire dangers to impact much of southeastern Australia today. And we can see while the heatwave product is showing severe to extreme heatwave conditions across northern parts of the country, it's southeastern parts of the country today. They're just going to have one day of extreme heat. And we can see that here on the maximum temperature forecast, where we can see large parts of inland Australia looking at temperatures in the low to mid 40s, with the highest temperatures extending from around the Birdsville area through northeast South Australia, much of western New South Wales, and even down into northwest Victoria with temperatures of 44 to 46 degrees. And some locations in western New South Wales could see temperatures of 46 or 47, including Wilcannia and Ivanhoe, and that could be record December temperatures for those locations. Capital cities also feeling the heat, 38 in Adelaide, cool change about to move through there though. Could get to 40 or 41 in Melbourne, depending on cloud cover. Cool change not getting there until later this afternoon. But thankfully, this heat is only one day in southeast Australia, with tomorrow temperatures dropping anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees. But unfortunately, further north, the heat will continue through parts of the NT and Western Queensland right through the week and even into the latter part of the week. And tomorrow, the focus through New South Wales will be through Western Sydney, where temperatures could get to 42 degrees, and inland areas looking at another hot day. Now, all these hot temperatures is driving extreme fire dangers through parts of South Australia and Victoria, including much of southern and southeastern South Australia, western Victoria, and central Victoria as well. These orange highlighted areas show extreme fire dangers. That means if a fire does get going in this region, condition is likely to be uncontrollable and uncontainable if fires do get going. So dangerous fire conditions are possible, and that does include the Mount Lofty Ranges in South Australia and also the Melbourne metropolitan area as well. And with that change likely to come in late afternoon and evening, that wind shift could also cause issues for any ongoing fires if they do get going. So let's look at that cool change. Right now as we stand, it's approaching the coastal areas of South Australia and Kangaroo Island, likely to move through the Adelaide area as we move through the lunchtime hour, and then continuing slowly tracking towards the east and north into the early afternoon hours. Then by late this afternoon, cool change impacting far southwest Victoria, but very hot ahead of that with temperatures in the low to mid 40s through parts of Victoria and western New South Wales. Then as we move into the evening hours, we'll see that change approach the Melbourne through Mildura line with a strong and gusty west to southwesterly change. And we could see temperatures drop around 10 to 15 degrees in a quick space of time as well, so watch out for that. Then that change will continue to move towards the east and north as we move into the Monday night, Tuesday timeframe, and then the heat will once again continue through much of inland New South Wales on Tuesday afternoon and evening, with high fire dangers also likely there. But notice much cooler conditions through South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania, thanks to that much cooler south to southwesterly flow. So with a lot of weather going on in southeastern parts of the country today, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media. And if any fires do get going, make sure you listen to all and any advice from emergency services.